Right. The new exercise we're going to do is another leapfrog. It's another leap forward. It's another progress. Because this time we're going to do something that is a bit more relevant to us as interaction designers. And that is, we're going to do something, we're going to build a circuit that has some interaction. And the simplest possible interaction you can have is simply as that, it's a button. So our circuit is going to be our exercise, sorry, let me get the computer back on. Our exercise is going to be the button one. So if you go back to the learning tutorials and built-in examples, and you go to the button here, digital button. This is the first one where we have a button, okay? And that's the circuit, and that's the schematic, and that's the code. So we're going to build that, and we're going to have a button going around. And tomorrow, as a more comprehensive exercise, the code that you've done with the two blinkings, we're going to add inside the button, and when you press the button down, it's one LED that's doing the blinking, and when you release the button, it's the other LED that's doing the blinking. So you start having more and more complicated software, because we need to start doing more and more hacking, and hopefully, within 2-3 weeks, you are the one who's coming up with new circuits. I won't even have to suggest things. You'll be sufficiently interested and motivated to start building circuits on your own, okay? So, we have the schematic, and what we need is basically a resistor and a button. And the buttons, the buttons are these very nice little buttons that we call push buttons. Here they are, and luckily I have a lot of them. Oh, do I? Okay. Yeah, I have a lot of them. These. And basically, these buttons, as you can see, are very small. When you press, there's a connection. When you release, there's no connection. And that's what we're going to use to interact, to have a kind of an interactive circuit. A button is the simplest interaction you can have, so that will be your first interaction. Okay? So I'm going to do the demonstration of the circuit now.